Amazon sellers, I'm going to talk to you about 3 different types of problems that are just skyrocketing over the last week or so. Number 1, related account suspensions are just shooting through the roof. I am totally in favor of you operating more than one Amazon account, but I want to make sure that you are as careful as possible so that Amazon cannot link account A to account B to account C to account D. Regardless of how many accounts you have, you got to be really, really careful. Don't let Amazon catch you operating more than one Amazon account. Number 2, drop shippers are just getting their legs cut off lately. We are seeing more drop shipping suspensions than I think ever before. Certainly more than in the last year or so, but in my memory, and we've been helping thousands, tens of thousands of sellers, I think the drop shipping suspensions is the highest it's ever been. It's still a good way to learn how to work the platform on Amazon for a bit, but it is not a great long-term business plan. You want to start sourcing products, create a private label brand, develop a brand. Dropshipping suspensions are just way, way up. Number 3, we're seeing a tremendous amount of inventory reviews, and we're also seeing a lot of big-time sellers who sell oversized products losing their shelf space at Amazon, and this is causing dramatic problems for these sellers. We're seeing their shelf space over at Amazon FBA cut in half and then cut in half again. So if you're selling oversized products and you're a large seller or a novice, you just started, start looking for alternatives to using FBA because you are just losing shelf space like crazy. Here are the ways you can contact me, and I try and get back to sellers 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Don't be shy. Reach out to me. Submit your case. We are here for you literally 7 days a week.